silence you left was an unkind part. It only burned low, rotting our bones. I looked in your eyes when you thought you were empty. A cracked shot glass on a cold kitchen stove. But under the dust of the lies and the quiet, I found your lost maps, yeah, the letters you hid. They told of a wildness, yeah, a woman on fire, and the terrible price they demanded she bid. They said stay small, they said stay inside, cut the ribbons right out of her hair. They locked up the canvas, they broke all the wires, they stole every song that hung thick in the air. But the beat of a heart still echoes in mine. The shame they enforced was never a crime. Yeah. Let the rhythm shake the floorboards. Yeah, yeah, I'm standing where the cage broke. Yeah, bring the rising wolves. Yeah, for the lies they couldn't take. Yeah, I summon the fire snuffed out of your soul. I will ride it with thunder that burned it all. Let the lightning in. We will bury the laws. I don't care what they think while the wild blood runs in me. Runs in me. My mother's young mother, a flash in the dark, a brief taste of freedom, a beautiful sin. The shame of a father, the need to conceive, sent the wild thing to horse, made her tin. She tore out her mind just to stop all the static, died screaming the truth to the mildew and stone. And the mother before her, she followed the river, let it take her when her daughter was stolen from home. Let the rhythm shake the floorboards. Yeah, yeah, I'm standing where the cage broke. Bring the rising wolves for the lies they couldn't take. I summon the fire snuffed out of your soul. I will ride it with thunder that burned it all. Let the lightning in. We will bury the laws. I don't care what they think while the wild blood runs in me. I ripped up the pages, yeah, classic connection. The pattern repeats in the silence, the wine. Grandmothers, grandmothers, sisters and brothers, all of these ghosts have now straightened my spine. They stripped all their culture